Hello and welcome back to FEM-Design video lessons. In this video, you will learn how to use tools in FEM-Design software. You can find FEM-Design tools from here, or you can find most of those tools from this toolbar here. Some of these tools have the video of their own, so in this video I will be skipping them. First, we start here and we can see that we have FEM-Design manuals and FEM-Design wiki. Both of these buttons will actually take you to StruSoft FEM-Design webpage where you can find more information about the software. Next, we have quantity estimation. With this function, you can easily estimate all the quantities from your model. Like you can see here, we have concrete, reinforcement, steel, timber, brick, profiled panel, and timber panel. You can also add these lists of these quantities to your documentation. What we have next is add view to the documentation. This button allows you to add any view to your documentation just by clicking it while holding the view you want to add. And you will get information message that the view is added to documentation. And next we have list. For this list, I'm gonna select the whole structure. And here I can see all the tables, list tables that are available for FEM-Design. And for this example, I'm gonna pick structure. I'm gonna set steel materials. And here you can see list objects, correct selection, and where I want to send that list to. For now, I want to send that list to documentation. Here, if I want to format the table, I can change what information I need for that table. I can delete these or I can rearrange these. If I here press list tables, that table or the list will appear on my documentation. Next, we are gonna look into the find tool. With the find tool, you can easily locate parts from your model. For example, finding them by the ID. Let's just say I want to find beam 45. I click here, and now FEM-Design is showing me with the red color there that there is the beam. Of course, for this size of a model, this wouldn't be hard to find by hand, but for the bigger models, this is quite easy way to locate objects from your model. Next, we have delete all. In delete all function or tool, you can delete large portions of different objects at the same time. Let's say I have to change my model structure and I then need to redraw my covers. Before that, I need to delete the old covers. So I can use this, activate the cover button, and then press OK, and all the covers will be deleted at the same time. Next, we have colors. In here, you can actually set different colors for different kind of objects. As you can see, I have already done this. So for beam, column, and truss members here, I have cross section differentiating them from each other, and for every cross section there's a different color to ease up my modeling work. I have done same for plain plate and wall, and I have also done it for edge connection to see which kind of edge connection I have and where I have it. You can also add this list to either to left down corner or right down corner of your FEM-Design view. So you can here easily see what cross section, for example, I'm using in a different places just by looking at the color. And next we have statistics. This is quite easy way to check what you have in your model or in your structure that time. You don't have to select anything, you just press statistic and you will get a quick view of what you have already in your model. Next we have correct model and adjust analytical model. We will look in a better way to these in another video. Also we have apply parametric model. This is a function or tool for more advanced users. What it simply means is that you can make parametric models that you can then import in your FEM-Design 3D structure software, and just by setting few parameters you can change the size of that model or different parts of what you have set up to be changed when you have created that parametric model. And then we have section editor. With section editor you can make any kind of section that you need, and then you can calculate them, and then you can insert sections in the library, and this is basically just drawing to this grid here. What we have left in this toolbar is user-defined filter that you can use when you need filters that are not already applied in this filter tool. You can here select components that you want to include in that filter. And next we have query. With the query tool you can actually take quite easy measurements from your model. Let's say I want to take measurement from that column, so I just click it and I can see from orthogonal system, I can see where is it in x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. I can also use this to take measurements between 2 points like this. So in here I have the direct distance, and then I have y distance and z distance of those points, and of course x distance. I can also measure angle with this. Let's say I need to measure that one. There, misclick. Oh no, yes. So I got it right. It's like that. You can measure angle between 2 points, and then you will still have this perimeter, area and center of gravity measurement here, which allows you to just, if I want that slab to be measured, I just click it and I can get easily perimeter, area and center of gravity just by logging here. And what we have left is copy properties. Copy properties is quite handy tool when you have, let's say you have set this column is alright, your design is finished, but you want to copy all those properties to other columns. So what I can do with copy properties, I can just click here and now it says select destination objects. This time I select only this, and now these columns are identical. Thank you for watching, and we'll continue in the next video.